Hello students, welcome to Navodaya aspirants. There is a request for all the students to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of all my videos. Please share these videos for your friends or relatives who are aspiring a seat in Navodaya Vidyalaya. Now let us start our class. Our next topic and a very important topic is tests of divisibility. It is one of the important topic in Navodaya mathematics. What is that? See, only we are dealing with mass, number system. In that a new topic is tests of divisibility, which is very important part, and surely one question will be there from this part, either directly or indirectly. And if we know these tests of divisibility, we can apply these rules, this information or this knowledge in solving problems of other topics also or other lessons also. Within no time we can solve the problems if we know the tests of divisibility. Now next question comes, why we need these divisibility rules? Why do we need these divisibility rules? See, if I ask a question, is 440 is divisible by 2? Let us understand with some simple example. What you will do? 440 you will divide with 2. This you will do the division. 2 2 ja 4. You will bring this 4 down. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. Again bring this 0 down. 2 zeros are 0. Here you got remainder as 0 and quotient is 220. After doing this complete division, then only you will say yes, 440 is divisible by 2. And it will take a lot of time. See, in this question he asked, is 440 is divisible by 2. He did not ask what is the quotient and what is the remainder. He asked whether 440 is divisible by 2. To know that, what you have to do, you will do this complete exercise. Then you will say yes, it is divisible by 2. But without doing this complete division, you can say yes, it is divisible by 2. First let us learn what is the divisibility rule for 2. See, what is meant by divisible? Yes, I forgot to say what is meant by divisible. Divisible means remainder should be 0. Okay, don't bother about quotient. Divisible means remainder should be 0. Understood? See, in the previous example there we got remainder as 0 and quotient we got 220. Okay, divisible, exactly divisible means remainder should be 0. Okay, now what the divisibility rule 2 says, a number is divisible by 2 if the ones place, remember this, ones place has a 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Any one of these digit, any one of these digit. Now you see, for example, I will say 234. What do you have to see? You have to see only the ones place. Okay, ones place, what it has? 4. So 234 is divisible by 2. No need to do any division here. Just you have to check this ones place. For example, 2940. You have to see only the ones place. What is the ones place it has? 0. You see here 0 is there. So 2940 is divisible by 2. Let us take one more example. 13411. Take the ones place. What ones place we have? 1. 1 is not present here, you see. So 13411 is not divisible by 2. Understood? Let us learn with some more example. Any digit number you can take, either 3 digit or 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. For example, I am taking in random any number. Just to see the ones place. This is ones place. Ones place, what it has? 6. So this total number is divisible by 2. So what the rule says, see, either 0 should be, or 2 should be, or 4 should be, or 6 should be, or 8 should be. Any of the digit, if it is present in ones place, so it is divisible by 2. I hope you understood this part. Now let us learn what is the divisibility rule for 4. Students, divisibility rules are different for different numbers. So don't think that divisibility rules will be same for all the numbers. Okay, 4 has a different rule which is somewhat related to 2. See, for 2, what I did, I saw this last number only, which is ones place. Only one number I have taken. Okay. Now what the rule 4 says? First let us go through the definition. If the last 2 digits of a number are divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. That is the 2 condition it has. This is the first condition. So for 2 you saw only last 1 digit, and last 1 digit should be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Let us see for 4. 4 has a 2 condition. Clearly you will understand what is the condition. For divisibility rule 4, you have to see last 2 digits. You have to see last 2 digits. Clear? Now here I wrote 4324. Last 2 digits you take. What is the last 2 digit? 24. Am I right? 24 is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 4, that is 4 6 are 24, or another way we can say that in 4 table there is 24. It means this total number, that is 4324, is divisible by 4. See here what you have to do, you have to check the last 2 digits only. So this is the first condition. Divisibility rule 4 has 2 conditions. First condition what has last 2 digits you have to see. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the total number is also divisible by 4. Let us understand this with another example. Now I have taken 64,916. What is the first condition of the rule 4 says? You have to see the last 2 digits. What is 16? 16 in 4 table there is 16. Am I right? Yes. So 16 is divisible by 4. It means this total number is also divisible by 4. See, this is only first condition. Okay. This is the next condition you see. The numbers having two or more zeros at the end is also divisible by 4. It means see the last 2 digits. What the last 2 digits have? Zeros. It means it is divisible by 4. So for rule 4 you have to see the last 2 digits. For rule 4 you have to see the last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, if the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then the total number is also divisible by 4. Or if the last 2 digits has 0, then the total number is divisible by 4. Clear? If you understand the divisibility rule for 4, easily you will understand the divisibility rule for 8. Here in 8, you have to see the last 3 digits. Similar to 4. In 4 what we have done? We have took last 2 digits. The last 2 digits must be divisible by 4, or last 2 digits must be 0. Okay. Now let us see what is the divisibility rule for 8. If the last 3 digits of a number is divisible by 8, the number is also divisible by 8. Now you see, here what I will do, I will take the last 3 digits. What is the last 3 digits? 824. Now what you do, 824 you divide with 8. 8 1 ja 8, remainder 0, bring this 2 down, or 2 numbers you are taking down, it means here you have to put 0. 8 3 ja 24, remainder 0. Means 824 is divisible by 8. It means this total number, that is 134824, is divisible by 8. Understood? Similar to 4, there you have taken last 2 digits, here you have to take last 3 digits. Now one more example let us take. See, here you take the last 3 digits, 216. Now what you have to do? Divide this 216 with 8. 8 1 ja, sorry, 8 2 ja 16, minus 5, bring this 6 down, 56, 8 7 ja 56, minus remainder is 0. It means 216, this 216 is divisible by 8. It means this total number, that is 191216, is divisible by 8. Understood? Similar to 4. Now let us take another part of the definition. Last 3 digits of a number are 0. It is also divisible by 8. Are you able to understand what I am saying? It means what you have to do? You have to see the last 3 digits. For example, check the last 3 digits. If it has 0, it means this total number is divisible by 8. Hope you understood. Now just to recollect once again what we have learned today. Rule 2. Ones place what it should have? Either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Any of these digits. Rule 4. What the rule 4 says? Last 2 digits, okay, that should be divisible by 4 or 0 0. Rule 8. What the rule 8 says? Last 3 digits that should be divisible by 8 or 3 zeros. This is a summary of this class. I hope you understood. Thank you.